Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Aptitude Tutorials. Today in this video, we are going to learn installments method in the simple interest topic. So look at the question here. What annual installment will discharge a debt of rupees 3180 due in 3 years at 6% simple interest? First, try to understand the meaning of the question. Then we can look at the formula substitution of parameters and all in this question. What annual installment? Annual installment, they are considering it for a year, will discharge a debt of rupees 3180. Debt is the amount that we have to pay to the person. And what is the time period they have given? 3 years. Rate of interest is nothing but 6%. Okay. So first list out the values they have given here. You have a debt of 3180, means that is the total amount you have to pay. So total amount here in the question is 3180, and you have the time period 3 years of duration, rate of interest as 6%. Okay. And they're asking how much amount we'll be paying for every year to complete this debt in 3 years with the rate of 6% per annum, and the total amount is 3180. Now look at the formula that we have written here. Total amount equal to x plus xtr by 100 for first year, and for second year also x plus xtr by 100, and coming to the last year only x, no interest. Okay, try to understand the formula in detail. Whatever it might be the year they have given, for the last year we will not pay the interest. For the last year we will pay only the installment. Okay, so they're talking about annual installment here in the question, guys. Annual installment is denoted as x here. X is nothing but the annual installment. Okay, so if the time period is 2 years, you will pay installment in the first year, and after the first year is done, you will pay interest upon the installment. And second year, you will not pay the interest upon the installment. You will directly pay the installment value, and it closes in the second year. Let's say in the given question, they have given the time period duration as 3 years. So first year, you will pay interest and installment. Second year, yes, interest and installment. Third year, you will not pay interest. You will just pay the installment value. Okay. So understanding in detail, whatever it might be the number of years they have given in the question, for the last year, you will not pay the interest. You will just pay the installment and close the debt. Okay. So if the interest is calculated for 5 years, then you'll pay interest plus installment for 4 years, and fifth year, you'll not pay interest. You'll directly pay installment value. If this interest is calculated for 9 years, for the 8 years of calculation, you will include installment and interest. And the last year, the 9th year, you will not include the interest. You'll directly write the installment. Okay. So now check how can we substitute the values that they have given in the question in the formula we have. Total amount is nothing but 3180, means you have to clear this value. That is the total amount that you have to clear. X is nothing but the annual installment we take. And as per the expression here, we have to pay the installment and we have to pay interest upon the installment for first year. Time period is 3 years, guys. So we have to pay interest plus installment for 2 years. And last year we have to pay only installment value. So let's write the same. So we don't know what was the installment. We have to find out the installment. I'm keeping x as the same. X plus x into. So this is for first year. So time period value is 1. Rate of interest they have given as 6 in the question. So 6 divided by 100 plus x into. Here this is for second year. Time period is 2. 6 divided by 100 plus. Remember, for the last year, you are not going to pay the interest. You're directly paying the installment value, x. Simplify this. 3180 is equal to x plus x plus x, that is 3x, plus 6x by 100. Okay. And here 12x by 100. Simplifying further, 3180 is equal to 3x plus 18x by 100. Okay. Next, 3180 equals to, here if you calculate the two fractions, 300x plus 18x divided by 100. Next step, this is 318x divided by 100. 318 ones, 318 tens. So x is equal to 1000. X is nothing but the annual installment we have taken, and the value of x we got as 1000. So here in this question, they have given the total amount and they asked us to find out the installment value x. So there can be questions where they will be giving a installment value and time period and rate of interest value, and they can ask us to find out the total amount. It is just that observing how many years of time period is given, remembering that last year no interest will be paid, only installment will be considered, and for the previous years you have to include the respective rate of interest and the installment and time period values for calculation.